In this video we will introduce 4 solutions to remove and unlock iPhone 11 passcode. Everyone is described in detail so you can follow along and easily do it yourself. All solutions are free, except for one iPhone 11 unlocking solution, which has a free trial so you can try before you buy to make sure you're not breaking the bank. Okay, let's moving on. Method number 1. Unlock iPhone 11 without password through lockout screen. If your iPhone is running iOS 15.2 or later, as long as the locked iPhone or iPad in question has an active network connection, you can now erase the device from the lock screen by clicking the Erase iPhone button. Method number 2. Unlock iPhone 11 without password through iTunes. Put your iPhone in recovery mode, connect your iPhone to computer and run iTunes. After iTunes detects iPhone and shows a message that there is a problem, press on the Restore option to restore iPhone, and then confirm it. After that, your iPhone has come back to the factory settings, and your iPhone is unlocked as well. Method number 3. Unlock iPhone 11 without password through iCloud. Enter in and sign in it with your Apple ID. Then choose Find iPhone feature, select the iPhone to unlock. At last, click Erase iPhone button to make the iPhone come back to the factory settings. Method number 4. Unlock iPhone 11 without password through Joyoshare iPasscode Unlocker. Joyoshare iPasscode Unlocker is professional iOS unlocking software which able to unlock iPhone, iPad and iPod touchscreen safely without using Apple ID or passcode. Launch Joyoshare iPasscode Unlocker on computer. Put the locked iPhone in recovery mode, and connect it to computer. Choose the Unlock iOS screen option and click the Start button to continue. After that, click Download button, and it start to download and verify the firmware package. Click Unlock button, and confirm it. Joyoshare iPasscode Unlocker will unzip the firmware package, and unlock iPhone. After a few minutes, the unlock will complete. Your iPhone is waiting for you to reset as a new iPhone.